Matchup dyan, of course, in the point guard position, Dindo Tumare.
Over to Johnny Abarientos, binabantayan ni Ray Evangelista. At narito naman si Jojo Lastimos over Glenn Capasio. Makakilala itong dalawang players na ito. But kay Glenn Capasio, balik-ulit kay Ray Evangelista, he was open but he decided to take it closer. Their first 2 points. Jericho Diguera, napalpal ni Pochuino galing sa likod. Narito po si Pochuino, Cariaso. With a pick from Pochuino, Jeffrey Cariaso, one of the more consistent players. He just goes about his very hard-working way. Patrimonio, yes.
That was a difficult.
Tumaren, Jeffrey Cordillera will go, yes.
And he's keeping the defense of Alaska guessing.
Walt Hawkins in a fix. Not quite a fix. Kaya.
Weapon.
Oh, talaga. Well, so it's Jericho Diguera. Alam po natin, just
half-court trap by Buford. Oh, yes.
Jericho Diguera, very Johnny Abarientos foray.
Well, defensive minister ito si Jericho has been appointed the defensive captain by Coach Correa.
So, agad tumira naman ng 2-pointer. Ray Evangelista, wala. But Dindo Tumare gets it. Alvin Patrimonio underneath. Tuloy-tuloy. Ano ito si Jericho ba? Ilang attempts to round. Ito, off-balance shot ni Alvin Patrimonio. Nagsigalas pala sila rito. Para din yung umpisa nila dito sa conference na ito, kinito. The Purefoods TJ Hotdog started off with a shaky note in this All-Filipino Conference in the elimination.
If they won those last 2 games, mas mahirap kasi to maintain a winning streak into the finals.
Sabagay, oo. And here comes Johnny Abarientos for Alaska, forward to Jeffrey Cariaso. Oh, boy!
Yun ang sinasabi na.
Uy. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Jojo Lastimos to Wong Hawkins. Bagamat biglang sumarakan. Too late. Nakikita po natin dito. Nalibre si Hawkins. At agad nag-react. Ito si Cody ng foul. Si Alvin Patrimonio. His first personal.
One thing we've also noticed here is that the referees are letting the players play the game.
4:45 remaining in our first period. Working against Wong Hawkins. Inside pass to Evangelista. Good play, pero ang ganda rin ng defense.
Half-court trap nila.
Rara ito eh. Rasela na. Ravena pa.
Tama yun.
You're on. He also missed what looked like a gimme.
Johnny Abarientos to set up and get the ball.
That pass by Jolas. Bong Ravena. He is a master. He is a master of it. Look at this. Spectacular fast break play by Bong Ravena earlier on. Meanwhile, folks, stay tuned. We've got a timeout. School days, college basketball days. Nakita natin there's a fast break in a special to the Bong Ravena. Jojo Lastimos gets it back with a triple D from left. Right in the meantime, Bong Ravena is going 1-on-1 against Jojo Lastimos, but Pochuino did not
go, no? Wong Hawkins playing very well in the first quarter, but Pinto decided to sit him down on the bench, giving the captain some needed rest.
Bong Ravena gets open for a jumper off the glass. He scores.
Pinag-usapan natin kanina yung spreading the floor of Purefoods.
Malamig na malamig. Pumasok si Rod. Was on the shot clock. Lastimos short. And Olsen Rosella gets to it. Finds Bong Ravena up ahead. Ito si Olsen Rosella. Gets it over to Edmund Reyes underneath. Sabi mo lang.
Well, that was a nice.
So hands it over to Wong Hawkins. Give and go. Cariaso. Let's see break.
Because he will drive against you. And if you don't play half defense, if you don't play team defense, and just play one-on-one straight up, Hawkins is also a fair dribbler. If he's able to get away from Cordillera, he goes straight in. And what that does, of course, that's playing minutes, winning the confidence of Coach Steve Cohen towards the end of the semifinals.
Nanasaksak ni Rodney Santos, pero he lead of Alaska to 3.
Ayun na naman ang sinabi natin, no? Hawkins is bringing Cordillera out.
Ang layo nito. And Merwin Castello, great hustle by Merwin. Hawkins with a good fake. Hawkins.
Taylor Gomez and Chris Bolado in the game. While he's out, he gives his teammates an opportunity to score.
Point cushion at 35-27.
And the reason why we show that replay is the big men. Ito si Brian Punsalan who's now playing and that's a tough task to try to stop with
Against Paul Hawkins. Binigay sa loob kay Jericho Diguera. And he is fouled. Ito.
Yung movement, kung double team si Alvin, dapat meron siyang mga kasama sa gumagalaw.
Shot clock.
You know, outside shooting is such an important element to break down interior defense.
USA.
Ito na naman.
Ng Alaska Milk at 42-31. Inside pass to Ray Evangelista. He is hemmed in, but he gets away. Tignanan po niya. Kaliwete po yung
Free throws ni Giorgio Lastimosa.
just like their boss, Fred Wilson too.
Well,
There's the roll. Darito si Cordillera. Binigay kay Patrimonio. Yun, very patient yung play na yun ng Pure Foods.
si Jericho Diguera, ayun, napakagandang pasa ni Jerry.
At nung dumoble po yung tao ni Jericho, dilibre si Alvin sa ilalim. At eto, 3-point play for the captain, Reyes. Reyes sumaksak. Naiwanan si Rey Evangelista. Patrimonio fumble. Napulot nila Stimosa. They still have 7 seconds. A lot of time for Alaska to score. Jun Reyes. Ito si Jeffrey Cariaso. George Lastimosa. Trying to take off Bong Ravena. Cariaso galing sa labas. Sumaksak sa loob. Dinabot niya pa rin si Rey Evangelista. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Lastimosa. 5 seconds on their shot clock. And Hawkins only needed 2.
And again, the
At the rebound. Patrimonio takes it to the front, but binigay kay Rey Evangelista against Lastimosa. Block.
natin. Ito yung supalpal.
Ni Lastimosa.
Ni Lastimosa. At nakuha pa niya yung bomba.
Porcillo. One of the best of 7 championship series. Nakatulukan sa loob.
Yes, biglang may kakat. Tapos, Bisyo.
Cariaso. Halos nakakalahati na po tayo sa third quarter. Darating si Johnny Abaretos. Binigyan ng pick team. Chris Polado. With the shoot. Johnny Abaretos
bringing it past the court or the timeline.
Alvin Patrimonio ng pasa. Binibigyan din siya ng pick ni Jericho Diguera. And Patrimonio with back-to-back. Yes. Kuna mas kay Racela. Racela gets momentarily open. Yes. You could see it coming. At sabi ni Coach, sa 15 yan. 4 minutes and 35 seconds to go. Narito po tayo sa third quarter. Johnny Abarrieto! Yes!
Kanina.
Talagang pinilit yung clock. Kanya oras pa. What a play! What an excellent play there. Hawkins. Edmund Reyes. Bumupwesto sa ilalim. Pero ang sama ng pasa. So Mariano sama kay Racela. There's steal. Cariaso picks it up. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Johnny Abarrieto.
Sa pass, hinahanap nila yung mga open teammate. High percentage shooting. Racela, 3 na ron yan.
Speaking of hot dogs, pero sa kasalukuyan, mas maganda po talaga ginagawa ng... Uy! Sinitok ni Glenn Capasio. Nagkaroon ng... Kasi umalma si Capasio dahil inakala niya na siniko siya.
Mukhang nagkakagulo.
Nabigla doon si Glenn Capasio dahil... Ito, tinan natin ang nangyari dito. Tinan niyo si Capasio. Yun, nabundol siya ni Hawkins.
Uy! Grabe yun.
Kung sino po ang kinakampiyan nila. Ito po naman ang tatay ni Bong Hawkins.
I think there's been a lot of physical play.
Labak kay Bong Ravena. There's a switch. Ramas. Ang ganda ng pasahan ng Alaska. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Wala na si Patrimonio. Wala si Cordillera. Racela. Ang tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang magandang laro. Pero narito, isang fast break play for Pure Foods. Santos got it on the second drive. He was fouled. At he was called he was charged with a flagrant foul.
Can come back, but they've got to start playing good defense. Naku! Pumasok kayo na palabas.
Sabi nangyayari, pero ito, pakasakali. Rey Evangelista with a steal. Binigay kay Bong Ravena. Yes!
For Alaska.
Bong Ravena, nag-iisip ng 3-point shot. Sumaksak sa loob. Dioyo Bola! Exhibition shot by Bong Ravena. Tinapyas. Para po ng Pure Foods ang lead to just 9 points on this particular play. Nakita po ninyo si Bong Ravena. Tumupi pa sa Eric. Evangelista binigay kay Patrimonio laban kay Hawkins. Patrimonio gets a clear shot. Yes! At nabuhay bigla. Ito hindi nakakaskore ang Alaska. Pito na lang ang abante ng Alaska Milk. Alvin Patrimonio will go for a 3-point shot. one. That was a big one by Alvin Patrimonio. 4 na lang ang abante.
Buhay na naman ang Pure Foods. Nakita natin kanina, the pick set by Jerry Cordillera. Alam na natin kung sinong titira sa Pure Foods, but the defense did not react.
Stretch na ito, 4 na lang ang lamang ng Alaska Milk, 71-67. Jojo Lastimosa. Ngayon, si Patrimonio po hindi. 1 out of 14. Ang Alaska Milk po, 1 out of 14 on field goals. Alvin Patrimonio strikes again! At Superdome, o Mock Superdome. Para sa PBA at dalawa, ang Puerto Lastimosa. Lastimosa, lays up, wala. Teka muna. Yarong foul yata ang tatawagin sa referee Ilagan.
Yung mga paraso when Jojo Lastimosa.
But Reyes doesn't seem to agree.
Well, Alaska only one field goal.
2 minutes and 19 seconds to go. Patrimonio sees Ravena underneath. Ravena, hirap na hirap. Pero pinasok ang bola. Buhang Ravena. Try the number 1 rum. At ito na. Pagkakataon ng Fearforce Carriazo with a steal. Replay nung steal ni Jeffrey Carriazo. Ang layo na pinanggalingan, no? But he kept his composure. Hard.
Aggressive, tsaka hustle. Jeffrey Carriazo.
Ravena. And there's going to be a foul on Jojo Lastimosa.
See that bullet-like pass. Ravena parang kiti-kiti yan Nakakakita ng
7 championship series.
patuloy ang napakagandang offense ni Dong Ravena.
Papanik. Abarietos. Offensive foul. It's right to be called. Ano naman po ito? Patrimonio. No. And the loose ball picked up by Dong Hawkins for Alaska Milk. 17 seconds to go. Jojo Lastimosa. At kaya po na napagitin dito Hanson. Seconds to go.
3-point play, 7 of Alaska's last 9 points.
Clock, Evangelista gets the miss. Inabot kay Jericho Tiguera. No basket, sabi ni referee Varelo.
Timeout itong Alaska. And Evangelista, he misses!
Johnny Evangelista gets the rebound!
Reaching 55.1% from the free throw line.
The Pure Foods TJ hot dogs were down by 18. Everybody thought it was going to be a walk.